What's up guys? Here's how to apply a valid Uber Eats voucher and enjoy discounts on your next meal, legally and easily. First, you have to get a legitimate voucher. Uber Eats vouchers usually come from official Uber promotions, Uber One Perks, or Uber for Business offers. Make sure the voucher is valid and unexpired, usable in your region, and eligible for food orders. Some exclude alcohol or certain items. Step 2. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your phone and log into the account connected to your voucher. Step 3. Add your food to the cart. Browse your favorite restaurants and add items to your cart. Double-check the voucher's terms to ensure your order meets any minimums or restrictions. Step 4. Proceed to checkout. Head to the payment section of your order. Look for an option to apply a promo code, voucher, or Uber credits. Step 5. Apply the voucher. Enter either your voucher code manually or select it from your list of available credits. Your discount will automatically apply to your subtotal or delivery fee based on the voucher rules. Then lastly, Step 6. Finalize your order. If the voucher doesn't cover the entire cost, choose a payment method for the remaining balance. Then place your order and enjoy your meal. Important legal reminders: use only official vouchers issued or approved by Uber. Do not share or misuse codes. That's against Uber's terms of service and YouTube's policies. Vouchers may expire, can't be resold, and might exclude some items. Always review Uber's local voucher terms and promotions. YouTube-friendly disclaimer: this guide follows YouTube's terms of service and only explains lawful and proper usage of Uber Eats vouchers. We do not endorse or promote any unauthorized or fraudulent actions. And that's how you pay with a voucher on Uber Eats in 2025. Simple, secure, and savings approved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.